Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor. I'm a full-time reseller. I just woke up a little bit ago. I'm so sore from the gym. I have been going very regularly and I'm using muscles that I haven't used in years, and it's just like, oh, it just hurts. It just hurts. Everything hurts. But today, I mean, it's just gonna be another day in the life. I have a whole list of things that I gotta get done, so follow me along and I hope you guys enjoy. My husband got in real late last night. He was gone for 6 days. Look how pretty my flowers are. Makes me so happy. So his suitcase is here and I'd like to unpack it and do some laundry for him. I bought this thing like a year or two ago and I use it sometimes, but I feel like it feels good today because I'm so sore. It just like shakes everything up. Okay, I need to get some listings done. So I have a full rack of clothing. I have some things in piles on the floor even. So I have a lot of inventory right now. Very happy about that. I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I've picked up recently. So this was a really good find. I found this at a regular thrift store for maybe around the $6 or $7 mark, but the brand is CO. And when I first saw this, I thought it was Cause, but this is an even more expensive brand than Cause, but it's just this really nice cotton, very crispy, high quality. This fabric is beautiful. Like just like a crop top, kind of cropped, I would say. It's not really a crop top. Actually, I don't even think it's a crop top. I don't know why I said that. But it's kind of just like this boxy button-up shirt. And yeah, I'm really excited to try this brand out. I've never found it or heard of it before. And I found this one, and then I also found a white one, the same exact style, but it was just like a crisp white. And it did have a little bit of a stain on it, so it's being stain treated. So downstairs in my laundry room. Okay, I found this and it just looks so nice. Like this fur is so thick, and I think it's Asian. Like this company, it's called Fakiva. And from what I can tell online, their items retail for quite a bit of money. I don't know if there's a lot even on the market. Like this is just beautiful. Like I feel like just style based alone, this could do really well. I could even use like military as a keyword, I feel like. I don't know. Oh, and then I found this new with tag House of CB corset. This is a part of the tag. I think, again, I found like I got this for like $5 or $6 at the regular Goodwill. This was an amazing pickup. I'm so excited for that. Okay, time to take the photos. treat when I remember to make this the night before. I don't always remember, but when I do, it's always just a little bit of a better day. Okay, I was able to clean up a little bit in here. It's not perfect. I do want to vacuum this rug. It's pretty dirty. And then I was able to get all of my listings done, which is awesome. Next, I need to go down and pull some orders that sold and print off the labels, get them packed up. Hopefully I have time to drop them off at the post office when my husband gets home later, but I might have to do that tomorrow. An item I'm shipping out are these Athleta high-rise wide leg trouser pants. I found like 6 of these in a Goodwill, all different colors. These ones sold on eBay for $48. Labels printed. I don't have any Depop orders. I don't think I'm very good at Depop. Okay, we're in my inventory room, so let's pull some orders. This ASTR, the label, strapless, beautiful jumpsuit sold for $48 over on Poshmark. I ended up finding this item in the bins. And then this vintage 9 West 100% genuine leather. So that's why I picked this item up, was because of the leather content. This item sold for $36 on Poshmark. This is one of the last items that I've sold from that Nuuly box that I bought, where my cost of goods was $16 per item. So this sold for $19 on Poshmark, so definitely lost money on this one. Okay, this Neely Loden, I think this is like one of my last items that I bought that day, all those Neely Loden items. This last item sold. These did great though. So yeah, I think this is one of my last Neely Loden items. So those did fantastic. I'm really proud of myself because I have been organizing and cleaning this basement like crazy. Like over the weekend, there was so much stuff. Like this was all filled with stuff and I got everything cleaned up. I vacuumed, I've been sweeping. I mean, it's still like not perfect, but this is so much better than what it was. So I'm really happy. Anyways, okay, so I had a dress, this one. This is so cute. This is like perfect for fall. This is giving such fall vibes. It's like a corduroy long sleeve and like this color, this like muted pink color. So cute. These, the company store New with Tag pajamas sold. This cotton feels so amazing and crispy. So this is a really nice product. I'm excited to get this out the door. Okay, next I had these Bowl and Branch. I think I'm pronouncing that right. These king size pillowcases sell. I just got these in the bins and they sold on eBay for $28. They're a set. Another item that I'm shipping out is this bundle that I put together. So these are 2 Eileen Fisher tank tops. I found these in the bins and I just lotted them up. They sold on eBay for $28. And then I also sold this bundle over on Poshmark. So it was this Spanx pants. They were New with Tag, I think. And then a Barefoot Dreams cardigan. And then an Anatomy pair of pants. I ended up receiving $104 for those items, and I think my cost of goods for everything was around $18. And here I am getting my eBay orders together. So for these, I do have to measure and weigh the item. So it takes a little bit of extra time, but that's okay with me. Okay, I want to start making dinner because I'm making such a good dinner. I've never made anything like this. It's a pot roast and it has to cook in the oven, in my Dutch oven, for like 4 hours. So I want to start it now so that it's ready around 6:30 when my husband gets home. And I'm just so excited to have like a warm home cooked meal. It's gonna taste so good. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Okay, so I just bought this piece of chuck roast. I've never bought something like this and like cooked with it, but I don't know. It's 2.45 pounds, so I need to brown it first in my Dutch oven, so I'm gonna do that first. My dad told me to put a little flour on it, so we're gonna listen to Dad. Okay, that needs to cook in the oven for 2.5 hours. So probably around 5 o'clock, I'll add all the vegetables and then it has to go back in for another 1.5 hours. I'm trying to enjoy the sun before it's gone in a month or two. Feels nice. I just made a sale a few minutes ago. It was a Rami Brooke dress that I picked up in the bins probably like 2 or 2.5 years ago. This dress has been sitting so long. It's a really nice dress too, so I'm so surprised that it took that long to sell. I think I had it priced too high because I think I had it priced at like $120 or $130. Somebody just sent me an offer for $70. Gladly accepted that. Get it out. I want it out. I'm done with it. Oh my gosh, the house smells so good. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I just filled up all the empty hangers that I had on this rack with more inventory. So again, I'm back to a full rack and I'm ready to get my listings done for tomorrow. packed up a portion for my mother-in-law, and then 2 pieces of rosemary bread with that French butter.